guys, it's Dorothy, and today we are talking about protecting your skin. How do you do that, right? Sunscreen, of course. But let's talk a little bit about that. There is an ingredient in sunscreen that, when you go to the beach, you put it all over and it's there. There's an ingredient in sunscreen called zinc oxide. That's the active ingredient that keeps you from getting, a sunburn. It keeps the rays from penetrating through. The problem with that is in sunscreen, it can be reflective and it can change how your foundation works. It can cause like a white mask or even add extra oily spots to where you don't want it. And so that's one of the reasons you've got to be very intentional on maybe purchasing makeup that has sunscreen added to it. I have had a lot of people that will put sunscreen on and then put their foundation on. And it can be problematic because the sunscreen isn't formulated to work with the makeup, and maybe the makeup isn't formulated to work with the sunscreen. And so they're going to kind of bounce off each other and work against each other, especially if you're taking pictures or on film. So I would encourage you to look for a foundation or a BB cream. If you don't like foundation, get a CC cream or a BB cream that has sunscreen in it, because what that means is they've added enough protection in it to protect your skin, but not so much that it's going to work against the foundation or the ingredients in there to give you that polished look. So I want you to protect your skin, but I don't want you to get frustrated by using products that won't give you the optimal results that you're wanting. So we'll see you next time.